Hey guys, today I'm at Badlands National Park. Just came in the front entrance and there's this overlook like 50 yards into the park. And I'm like, oh my gosh, haven't even got to the visitor center yet. But it looks just unbelievable. It's unbelievable. And they got a lot of these boardwalk trails here, which is a little less rugged and outdoorsy feeling, but definitely makes it more accessible for people in wheelchairs, which is not something you see a lot of at national parks, so that's cool. These hikes are cool. You can kind of go wherever you want, but they do have some nice things. Let's pick up pole 1, go over here, and there's pole 2. It's another place unlike any place I've ever been. It's just, it's otherworldly. You're out here, you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, like on another planet. You feel like you're on Mars or something. It's super cool. Just kind of hike wherever you want out here. Try not to get lost. We'll see what we can find today. Alright, I went off the trail a little bit. Picture. Positive how to get back, but I remember what I call Rhino Horn over here. That's the trail boardwalk that leads back to my car. I think the trail, end of the trail, you know, there's a sign but it says end of the trail. Let's go check that out. Some really cool kind of bouldering and scrambling to get around to these different spots that I want to get a view from. You know, and it's not an enormous drop to the bottom, but you would not want to fall down here. Let me see. And here we go. The end of the trail. Window trail. Wow, this is pretty spectacular. Some of these overlooks you could just walk out here. And it's cool, but kind of scary too. Pretty good drop-offs. This is Ancient Hunter's Overlook. Sure enough, if you were hunting, you can see off in the distance It's a bighorn sheep. These views are unbelievable. One of the rangers recommended that I take this dirt road that almost nobody ever goes on. He said there's buffalo herd back here, prairie dogs, cool stuff to see. All right, that does it for Badlands National Park. That was really cool. And I say this at every national park. Wow, it's like no place else I've ever been. And that was kind of otherworldly. Some of those overlooks and a couple of fun hikes and great day. I enjoyed it. I am at Wall Drug Store. I've never seen more billboards for one place in my life. This place makes Buc-ee's look shy. Trying a buffalo hot dog. This place is pretty wild. Giant jackalope. Kind of want to climb up there and get a picture.
They're riding hard to catch that herd, but they ain't caught him yet, cause they've got to ride forever on that range up in the sky. My horses started flying as they ride on.
Well, it was basically like if you stuffed all of Gatlinburg into one big long building. But interesting little touristy stop along the way. Bighorn sheep just chilling on the side of the road. I'm gonna stop and try to get a picture. I'm in Deadwood, South Dakota to speak at a conference. And I always stop and try to get a picture by a sign. I just took one. And then walking down this hill, I just slipped and crashed hard on my bum. And that was my worst injury of my trip. All the hiking I did. And my first slip and fall was by the Deadwood sign on a snowy day. All right, I'm in Deadwood, South Dakota on a beautiful snowy night. And gonna get some dinner here at the number 10 casino and restaurants where Wild Bill Hickok was shot. Famous place.